Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about easy online selling with Sellburst, your digital e-commerce portal. Now right now, I'm currently inside the website called Sellburst, and what it does here is, this is a platform much like Shopify to sell your digital products. Now once you're in here guys, simply go to settings first. In here, make sure you go in at settings right there. And then you're going to have this option, starting from general, branding, payments, up to domain. So basically right here, you need to set up your settings first. Before you go to the edit platform, create your new product, the most important part is set up your settings. Starting from your business name, next one is your subdomain, your password protector is right there, of course your currency should be around here. And you'll notice that there is a premium. We're going to talk about the pricing in a few moments right here, but for now, move over to branding right there. Under branding, there should be a business logo. There is also the social links. And of course, guys, we have to enable our terms of services. So this is a sample terms of service that I created in ChatGPT. You can copy this one, no problem at all. Now, once we're satisfied with everything, please do not forget the payments. So the top three right here would be general, branding, and then payments. Now, these are all the payment methods that is connected with Sellburst. So we have top of the list, we have Stripe, PayPal, we also has CoinMeter right there, and the works. You also have domain here, you have Teams, notifications, and so much more. So again guys, before you start creating your products, make sure you optimize your settings first. Now once that's done, let's talk about the pricing. Now welcome back to the video. So these are going to be the prices inside Sellburst. Right now I have the free trial, which is going to be ending in about 2 weeks I think. Now, with that being said, please check them out, and let's get on with the business. Now, welcome back to the video. Now, once we're satisfied, for example, setting up your settings, next to go is going to be store customization. Now, what is basically store customization? It basically means you need to design your store. This is the settings that you're looking for in terms of your color. Now, you can choose different color palette here. You have your hex codes right there. And of course, guys, you also have your store font text. For example, this one, this is going to be your up title. This is going to be your heading. I already uploaded my background image, where you can upload to your PC. There is a limit of 5 megabytes by the way, and you can disable your background image with that option right there. On the right side, this is basically your SEO, where you can upload your favicon and upload image right here. Now, just for discussion purposes, let's move over with products right now. Let's just say that we're satisfied with what we have here. So under products, click products right there. And let's start creating our very own product. As you can see right here, I do not have a product just yet, because I want to take you step by step here. I want to create my product along with you guys. So let's get started with this option right here, add a product. With one click of a button, we're going to be redirected to a new page wherein we can now create our very first digital product. So first things first, we have here, create new product option. We have the image. Again guys, you can upload any photo you have. Or for this video, I'm gonna look for a sample photo I got from another application. I have a video about Midjourney. This is where I got the photo, so please check them out. Now of course, the name of the title of our product, let's just say here sample product right there. I'm gonna type in here sample description. Now this is only just for sample purposes. Please type whatever you want here. Now for the visibility settings, you have unlisted, you have private right here, and you have on hold. So make sure you choose one of which. I'm gonna go for can only be accessed and viewed via link. I'm going to go for unlisted. For private, cannot be accessed or viewed. However, for on hold, cannot be purchased but still visible to everyone. And now for the full description right here, for example, I'm going to type in here sample full description. Now we're going to talk about the settings. You can bold the letter, italize, align center, justify, indent, and change the format. How powerful is that, right? It's just like you're having your very own Microsoft Word inside Sellburst. Now there is a delivery time here. You have instant or priority order. I'm not going to change this person's right here. I'm going to go down just a little bit. And there are variants. So what is variant? Basically, variant is going to be your option 1, option 2, and option 3. So if you click on add variant right there, for example right here, I'm going to type in here sample variant. I'm gonna go for sample variant. Click on create. Now I have sample variant right there. I have the default. Now please pay attention. What does it mean? So for default right here, for example, I set up 10 USD or which currency you want. Set everything up for Stripe right here. And then for SEO, for example, right here for serial numbers, I'm gonna type in sample serial right there. Now, for example, everything is set up. And then I'm satisfied with this one. Now, if I want now, I can just go to sample variant 2. This is now a different setting. So these are shortcuts wherein if you have different settings for different products, you can just go back to one another. So for this one, if I want 5, this is for PayPal. This is another different type. Something like that. Let me just type in here. Perfect. Going back here, this is another variant. This is another variant for you. So please pay attention on those settings right there. Now another thing to take note of is under general, you need to have warranty. Because a lot of people or just a random number of customers likes warranty. So enter number of days here. For example, I'm gonna give it a number of 14 days. That's gonna be days, okay? Take note, this is days. If you want to put 2 weeks, please go for 14 days, not just 2 weeks right here. Because it doesn't work like that. Make sure you click on 14 if you're looking for 2 weeks. That is counted as number of days. Now with this one, you have customer or note to customer right there. Basically for this one, thank you for your purchase. And then for redirect link, this is basically where they will be if they click on your product. So for this one, let's just say I type in here youtube.com. Now this is just for sample purposes, okay? I'm gonna type in my link for my channel. Something like that. Again guys, under here, this is gonna be the SEO. I'm gonna remain as it is. Simply click on create product right now. And I'll see you once it's done. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is gonna be our upfront or storefront on the website. Remember this photo? This is gonna be the image for background we set earlier. Now once we're here, simply go and check your products right there, or you can see right here. This is the product we did earlier. So this is gonna be it if I click on it right now. For example, I'm a customer, right? I can have this description, the sample description earlier. We have the one stock variant right there. This is the default stock variant. Remember where we did there's gonna be 2 choices of variants. This is where you can see it. There is the instant right there, the quantity is right here, the prices is gonna be right there. Pretty awesome, right? It's a pretty nifty and quick way to sell your digital products online. Now going back on the Sellburst dashboard, for example, you want to create some coupons for your clients. Click on coupons right there. It's just under products. Now once you're here, of course, click on create coupon right here. It's the same process as the product from earlier. So the coupon codes right here, I'm just gonna type in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just for discussion purposes. This is 10, a fixed amount or percentage that will be by your own preference. Date here would be today. Expiry date, let's just say until the 31st. Payment method, I'm gonna go for PayPal. And the products, of course, I'm gonna choose my product. Now take note, you cannot create a coupon if you don't have a product. Take note about that one, okay? Now once you're satisfied with everything, for example, that's gonna be Stripe right there and PayPal. You can choose one of each or more than one, okay? Now for the coupon value, I'm gonna go for 5 right there. Click create coupon right here. Take note guys, just to reiterate, you cannot create a coupon without a product. Now you won't really see the coupon on the storefront from earlier. For example, on this website right here, you really cannot see it everywhere because no one or not all people will display the coupon discount on the storefront, right? Let's go back on the dashboard right here. So that is how you create a coupon. Now under orders, there is going to be orders and customers. So under customers and orders, you can check how much order you have. Under customers, you can check how much is your average customer per day, per week, per month, or 1 year. Now this is actually the most important point for me. Under reviews, this is basically where to see or check on your analytics based on your product review. Now if you click on dashboard right there, this is basically how it should look like. An overview of how it looks on your product. We have your all orders, products, customize master option, or add another product. So everything you see here on the drop down menu, you can have it all around here. There's the analytics for your revenue, your orders, your reviews, your tickets, and your store visits. You have your retention right here and your recent orders. Now everything you see here is going to be useful on your dashboard. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.